Hi everyone, this is Rochelle once again, and today we will be discussing all about lesson number 8, which is, let me see, customer relationship management and live chat. And with that, we will be filming a separate demo on how you're going to create auto replies, saved replies, and also how you're going to create live chat, ManyChat account and connect it to your Facebook page, and of course, create the sequence for your chatbot. So let's get this started with the lesson first. Let me share my screen. Let me show you the slides that we have prepared for you. So customer relationship management and live chat is the topic for lesson number 8. I believe that in the previous discussion, we've already been, talking about what customer relationship management or what a CRM is. But let's discuss it further for this topic. CRM, again, is a tool on how you're going to manage your customer base. There are different kinds of tools online, and what we're going to discuss here are just, the basic tools that we are using. And also, there are a lot of CRM tools available out there, and you can see the difference between the dashboard, the features, and the functions of each CRM. But all of them are taking care of one thing, your customer base. And you can see if you are going to, dig into or play with different CRM tools, you will be able to see the different features available, the different things that a CRM can do, and you just have to find the best one that's that best will serve your clients' customers. Now, CRM builds prospects and customers database, so it's not just the customers per se. It's not just the customers that buys from you, but also the prospects. So those who inquired about your product, about your shipping, about anything, either via email, via social media, via website, via live chat, via your Facebook, or those who you've met in events, you've given, calling cards or business cards to, those are also counted as would-be customers and included in your database as prospects. And CRMs also monitors sales in terms of deals or opportunities for every prospects that you add into your CRM. Now, to remind the team that every account is a possible sales opportunity. When we say account, that means every person, every list that you add into your CRM tool. Now, live chat support is just one way of ensuring that your customers are being properly taken care of. And live chat right now has been very popular, and it's been widely used. Before, you may be familiar with call center procedures, wherein you will be sending a message to a service provider and then ask questions, and then somebody will reply back to you. Those are live chat support services. And right now, those small-scale businesses are bringing the live chat business, like the live chat support, to the home-based industry as well. And of course, you also have to log the follow-ups and support communications properly. That is, we have discussed number 1 and number 2 under the CRM, right? And this is the number 3. You have to log and follow up your communications properly, meaning the first time that a person asks questions, the second time, the third time, and up to the time that the deal will be closed, meaning that that particular person will buy from you because of the proper monitoring of your database. You also have to update your deals, the deals or the process. If a person bought from you or if the person didn't, you have to tag them as won or lost. So if a person buys from you, you tag them as won because he's already a customer. And if it's a lost deal, then that means the customer didn't buy from you. Okay? You can come up with new content and approach on how to improve your processes without spamming the customers and without having to be, um, to follow up too often. Improve your communications with every process, and it's a very good thing to do to master the customer relationship management process. There is also a reference video here that you can watch on your free time. But for now, let's proceed with live chat. In this particular lesson, we will be using the Facebook Messenger and ClickDesk or the chatbot. Not really chatbot, it's ManyChat. Let's change that. ManyChat is the creator of the chatbot that we will be using. And right now, we're not using the ClickDesk. Okay, so let's see. There are different live chat tools aside from ManyChat, but ManyChat is free and it's very easy to use. So I hope that you will be enjoying our next demo, wherein I'm going to show you how ManyChat works. Okay, it's just very simple. You just have to connect it to your Facebook page or to another other tools possible. There are also other tools that you can connect to ManyChat, and I hope that you'll be able to explore that if you're very, very familiar with chatbot already. Okay. As a virtual assistant, most people apply as live chat support agents. I tried to become a live chat support agent before, a few years back, in the call center, and it's not an easy job because we're given like 120, 150 emails or 150 people to support with on a day's basis, and all of them have different concerns. So if you think that this is something for you, you may explore the following websites as well. And these are just some examples of questions that you can ask to set up your live chat. Like, what do you do? How much is your rate? Where can I find samples of your work? What is your working hours? What if you have a deadline and your computer crashed? What would you do? These are, the frequently asked questions of clients that needs to be answered. As a social media specialist, you need to have these suggested questions in your Facebook inbox as saved messages, so that you can simply get those messages and then reply to them. And as for chatbot, you can also use this to reply to these particular questions automatically. First, let me show you that this particular button in your Facebook page needs to be changed as well. So you need to make this one as a, let's go to my Facebook page. Facebook page. Hey. Because this button is very important. You need to make this one send message, or you can bring them to your website, whatever you want. Okay. If there is this little pencil icon here, that means you can edit it. Let's just have to wait until the page finishes loading up. And you may click it now. Edit the button. Oops. And then if you don't want to bring them to your Strikingly websites, then you can click the contact you and make it send message or contact us. And then hit next, and then you're finished. You just have to hit finish, but you have to go inside. In my next video, you will see how to configure the saved messages and the instant messages that the customers will send to you. And that's under the Facebook page. So also, I will be creating a separate video to demo the, demo the live chat feature of ManyChat. So we will be integrating your ManyChat with your Facebook page. So watch me on my next video. Bye for now.